Hi there, welcome back YouTube. This is Jerry with Sky Management again, here today to give you a product review on something that we have used many times. Anybody that's in the apartment business or even homeowners probably should invest in one of these, as it will certainly save you every bit of its weight when you do have a problem with your air conditioning unit. The product that I'm referring to is this little tool here. It is called a Charles Gallo Drain Cleaning Gun. This one happens to be see that or not, Diversitech. It's a brand you can get off of Amazon for about $32. It's pretty simple. It uses a CO2 cartridge inside that you can compress this and shoot air out this other end. It comes with a adjustable tip that you can screw onto the end there. We've taken it off because on our particular applications, our apartment style air handlers that have a condensation tube, not unlike something that looks like this, that is back against the coils. In order to get it, we have to be able to bend it around the end and shove it in the end like that, and then pull the trigger to blow it out clean. It is a great product. It has saved many a time. Those condensation drain lines get clogged up with some schmuckus or some mold or mildew, either due to infrequent use or just due to being dirty and getting built up. All of them are going to experience it at one point or another. And this is a good way to clean the lines, blow them out. You can always follow that up with a little bit of bleach solution or something just to make sure you get the drain lines cleared out. If they're not cleared out, they'll back up into your AC unit and spill out onto your floor, or if your AC unit has a sensor switch, it'll just shut it off. Again, simple operation to use. It's got a safety switch on the back you can lock or unlock. When you open it up, this piece here holds a food grade CO2 style cartridge. They're kind of pricier, I guess, for lack of a better term. We have found that if you just shove a wad of, I don't know, paper towels, cardboard, Kleenex, whatever, into the end of this thing, you can actually use BB gun style CO2 cartridges like this that you can get from Walmart or Amazon or anywhere. They're way cheaper to do it that way, and then they can fit in there and be able to press up against where it needs to. If not, this won't close down enough to be able to activate those, but that's the way around it. Anyway, you get it started, and when you start tightening this, you got to crank it down kind of fast once it starts activating so that you don't lose the CO2 out of the end, and then you're ready to go. Now this, like I said, you can insert it in the end of your pipe. You pull the trigger, and it blows it out. It'll disengage anything that's in there. You just got to make sure you have a tight seal on the end. As a little demonstration, this is a P-trap. This is not what you would find, obviously, on an air conditioning system, but just to demonstrate how this works here. You would insert this into the end, block off as much as you can, make sure that your safety switch is off, and pull the trigger.